Hey brother, another little video, this time solemnly about nature. I know I'm talking about nature a lot in my videos and in general, and I promise that this one will be only about nature. Look around, brother. Look at it, amazing forest, the colors, the sunlight right over there, the birds trickling. You can hear a raven in the background. There was a hawk making his creak just a few moments ago. I want to invite you to go back to nature. I want to invite you to explore nature, but from a different point of view this time. You've been going out to nature with your mountain bike, with a jeep, grilling in nature, making fires. You haven't been respectful, my friend. You haven't been respectful to nature. To nature. Nature is our mother. We have a father in the sky, a father sky, and a mother that is ground and earth and nature and elements. Nourishes us, gives us everything, from wood to build, to make fire, from stone to make houses, mortar. Everything comes from nature, from dirt. We are digging the dirt and sucking out oil. It's time to be more respectful to nature, to respect everything that she gives us, to love her like we love our own mother. And maybe that's the thing, maybe we have issues with our mothers. Maybe it's time to put them aside and just to express love, because mother loves us. Yeah, sometimes it's a tough love, I know. The same thing comes from this guy up there. It's tough love because this is just what we believe in. It's time to change that belief. It's time to start loving and expressing that love. There's nothing wrong with that, nothing. Forget everything that they've told you. We had a rough childhood, and they taught us to suppress our feelings, not to show emotions. These are weaknesses. Well, guess what? It limiting life. Life without emotions is a machine. A machine doesn't know good from bad. A machine can hurt everybody and anybody, even children. But us, brother, we have feelings and emotions, and they are not only anger and frustration. They are also love and compassion. Touch that love, brother. Touch joy and happiness and fulfillment and sadness. And open up to your feelings. And love yourself and love nature. A mother. Go out to her because she is calling you. Go out to her with respect, with love and compassion. Take care of her, much as you would take care of your own mother. For she takes care of you unconditionally. It's time to give some of that love back, brother. Give it to yourself and go out to nature and give it to her.